How often have we heard this line in Agile that Agile is a mindset? But the question is, can you really change the mindset? Can you make people think like you? Can I make you think like me? The answer is no. So if I can't make you think like me, then what can I do? We'll see. Hello everyone, my name is Devapam Sanyal and I am an Agile coach. In agile coaching, or even if you're a scrum master, you must have heard this several times that agile is a mindset and you have to change the mindset of people. And that's ridiculous, to be very honest. You cannot really change anyone's mindset. This is not according to science. Now, then who can change my mindset? If I cannot change your mindset, then who can change your mindset? Only you can change your mindset, right? So if you can change your mindset, that then what's my role? What am I supposed to do? That's a big question, right? So there are a few things that you can do which are very important for you to change your mindset. That is changing the environment, the ambience. Look, in neuroscience, when we are growing up, right, or even now, our brain learns from our environment. When you are growing up, you have several neurons in your brain, and there is a concept called lose it or use it. So if you do not use some neurons, some of the capabilities from your environment, you are going to lose those, right? Similarly, you are learning from your experience, you're learning from your environment, from your ambience. So as an agile coach, what I can do is I can change your environment. I can change the different conditions that you are in. I can change the way you look at the environment, the system, the project, the people. And when I start doing that, you start changing your mindset. So as a coach, as a scrum master, as a leader, as a manager, this is what we have to do. We have to change the environment around people. So it's very easy to say that, hey, someone is not performing. Hey, someone is distracted always, not productive, and so on and so forth, right? But have you ever thought that what am I doing to change that? If you just go and say, change it, be productive, or look, this is how it needs to be done, I will train you, I'll give you some training, that's not going to help anyone. That's not going to help the person, that's not going to help you, the organization, no one. So what can change? You can change the environment around that person. You can make him or her feel safe in that environment so that he or she can explore themselves in those environment. You can be protective about them. You can give them that freedom. You can talk to them frequently, ask them about what they want, motivate them, help them to understand what they want, and actually give them, right? You have to be empathetic towards them. You need to understand them, talk to them. And when you do that, they start seeing things differently. They start changing their mindset. They start working towards the same team objective that we have set. Otherwise, you can set n number of objectives. You can have a long roadmap, a strategy. It doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, these people, they are not on board with you. They are not in line with you. They are not sharing the same goals. They're not sharing the same vision, the same mindset, right? So for that, what you have to do is, as I said, go and talk to them. Start changing the ambience around them, and then see the magic, how it happens. And don't expect anything overnight. This is the most absurd thing that you can do, is that okay, now I'm starting to change my environment, and from tomorrow I'll see them performing better. That's not going to happen anyway. It's going to take time. It is going to take time, but you need to be consistent. It should not be that one week you are very empathetic and the next week you go back to the original thing. They will really understand, okay, this is not the environment that I'm perceiving. This is something else. They're trying to portray something which actually is not. So their mind stuck. They don't go ahead. So you have to be persistent and you have to be consistent in changing. So the best way that I can describe is, if you really want to change someone's mindset, you need to be of that mindset, right? So it's like preach what practice what you preach, right? So if you have to practice, you have to practice in that way. So there is nothing else that you can do. You can create that atmosphere for those people, for what you are preaching, for what you are telling them to do. You need to lead by example. You need to set that example by creating the environment. And then slowly you will see the results. Okay? So if you liked it, please do subscribe and like this video. And if you have any feedback, any more experience to share, any other comments, please put that down below in the comment section, and I will see you soon.